Nerve flow alignment focuses on restoring smooth communication between the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. It supports optimal signal transmission, influencing movement coordination, sensation, emotional balance, and overall body efficiency. Through gentle positioning, breath awareness, and mindful movement tension, patterns around nerve pathways are gradually released. This practice helps reduce compression, irritation, and overstimulation caused by stress, posture imbalance, or repetitive strain. When nerve flow is aligned, the body responds with improved mobility, clarity, relaxation, and faster natural recovery responses. Techniques may include subtle traction, slow stretching, soft touch, and conscious alignment of joints and fascia. Nerve flow alignment is commonly used in therapeutic movement, somatic practices, and holistic bodywork sessions. It encourages listening to internal signals rather than forcing correction or aggressive manipulation. Regular practice can enhance focus, sleep quality, pain regulation, and nervous system resilience over time. Overall, nerve flow alignment promotes harmony between structure, sensation, and the body's innate intelligence.